What I felt while working for LNG engineering company in the past was only in vague thinking that the era of eco-friendly ships powered by LNG will come to the shipbuilding market someday. I went on a long-term business trip to Texas, USA, had an opportunity to see the special bunker equipment for an LNG fueled eco-friendly ship for the first time and thought, wow, this is it. After coming back to Korea, I decided to start a new business with items related to LNG fueled ships. Hello, nowadays, eco-friendliness is more important than anything else. So is the sea. I'm JB Nam, CEO at Jeisonbernment, who is struggling in the market for eco-friendly ships that is using LNG as its fuel.
Jeisonbernment is a company that supplies Banjetti LNG fuel pumps, which are essential for LNG fueled ships. There is representative of eco-friendly ships and Mantex transport system for LNG bunkering.
Originally, I was a seaman. I've been on board for a long time and I've mostly been on an LNG carrier. Therefore, I was vaguely thinking about how the LNG industry works and the era in which eco-friendly ships are essential. After finishing my life on board, I went on a long-term business trip to US while working for LNG engineering company, seeing and experiencing various special equipment used in LNG fueled ships with my own eyes. I had a truly eye-opening new experience at that time. After coming back home, I immediately studied the essential equipment needed for LNG fueled ships. Contacted Mantex and Banjetti several times, visited them in person, and after being rejected, finally signed an exclusive agreement to become a partner. After I started a business, finally jumped into the center of the LNG fuel ship era.
Banjetti LNG pump is mainly installed inside the LNG tank, since it must be operated perfectly in a cryogenic environment and needs to be confirmed from its design to installation and LNG commissioning by experts on site as well as end user. In case of Mantex LNG bunkering system, the key is how safely and quickly it works when transporting LNG from an LNG bunkering ship to an LNG fueled ship. We, Jeisonbernment, are able to verify it to help our customers, like end users, ship's crew, and operators work in a safe way.
Although LNG fuel ships are representative of eco-friendly ship, they have the duality that LNG is a very dangerous substance that can be exploded. Jeisonbernment completely solved this risk and supplies correct products that have been certified by a third party for safety. In addition, precise operation control is required according to the fuel consumption required for the marine engine. The automatic control system is also designed and supplied by ourselves, so it's very reliable from customers. Since Jeisonbernment started in 2017 in its serious business, and luckily was selected one of companies for 2019 Start Ulsan Port by Ulsan Port Authority in 2019. Our sales turnover have been doubling every year since then. In the beginning of the business, there were not many opportunities to properly inform customers of our valuable products. However, now we are supplying our products not only in Korea, but also in China and Japan. Next year, it is expected to generate $2 million in sales turnover, which is twice of this year. We would not settle here, but are thinking about how to develop better new services and give customers trust. The LNG fuel ship market is just starting now. In the future, this market will also be stabilized. At that time, stable management of our product will also be very necessary. To prepare for that time in advance, we plan to create a professional maintenance shop and make an effort to hire and train additional maintenance experts. Therefore, our goal is to become a company that provides global services rather than a company limited only to Korea.
Speaking of Jeisonbernment in the global LNG eco-friendly ship market in the future, we want to hear from our customers like, oh, Jeisonbernment, they are reliable and believable. We will do our best to become a company where everyone at Jason can work together happily and flexible mind, looking in the same direction and working steadily with one mind.